I am just discussing about Allport's trait approach. So Allport in 1936 has evaluated 18,000 personality words from dictionary and emphasized the uniqueness of the individual and internal cognitive and motivational processes that influences behavior. For example, intelligence, temperament, habit, skill, attitude and traits. Now these words are now known to you, so I will not explain these words. If you have difficulty, you can ask me. So in your book, 18,000 personality word is written, but in many other book, 30,000 adjectives and adverb, that way it is written. So you can write, Allport has evaluated 18,000 to 30,000 words. Now, after evaluating these words, he has given his theory of personality, and he said there are some common trait, means which can be easily observed in many person. Common trait means easily observed in many person. For example, aggression, it can be easily observed, visible. But can you observe neuroticism easily? No, you cannot observe neuroticism easily. The person can be neurotic, but he can behave with you like a normal person. The person can be schizophrenic, but he can behave with you because schizophrenia is reflected. Schizophrenia can be seen when he encounter with the mild or major attacks for 5 minutes to 30 minutes. So rest of the time he can be normal. So for a schizophrenic personality, he needs a trigger. So you cannot see it easily. So what Allport says, commonly observed in many persons, the phenomena is called as common trait. For example, trust and love. These are commonly observed. Fear is commonly observed. Anxiety is nowadays commonly observed. Then he said, second part of trait, classification of trait, individual trait. A trait which is summarized the persons entirely, for example, psychotic, narcissistic, masculine, extrovert. So these includes many symptoms. Psychotic personality includes many symptoms. Narcissistic personality include many systems. Narcissistic personality people, they are totally self-centered. They never think of others. I have seen many such people in my life. Masculine, they are highly aggressive. They are highly masculine in nature. Male dominance, male character dominated. Extrovert, neurotic, schizophrenic, I have already explained. Then he said third category of trait is cardinal traits. Rarer traits but highly dominant the personality. Rarer but highly dominant. That is non-violence of Mahatma Gandhi. It's a rarer trait. Going by non-violence is not easy. If somebody triggers you, you will be violent. If somebody attacks you, you will be violent in a self-defense. But non-violence, which is taught to us by Mahatma Gandhi, is called as cardinal trait because it is rarely available.